Did you know that Bollywood star Vivek Oberoi, known for his role in Shootout at Lokhandwala, once faced a shocking 14-15 months of unemployment despite delivering a massive hit? Yes, you heard that right. In a candid interview, Vivek opened up about the cutthroat insecurity of the film industry and how it pushed him to rethink his life and career. After the success of Shootout at Lokhandwala in 2007, with its iconic hit song Ganpat, Vivek was on top of the world, or so it seemed. Fans and critics loved him, and he even bagged awards. Yet, offers? Zero. For over a year, he sat at home with no work, a situation he called heartbreaking and eye-opening. So, what went wrong? According to Vivek, the Bollywood industry is a place where talent doesn't always guarantee stability. He said, you could be performing well, winning awards, doing your job, but still, you might not get work for reasons beyond your control. But here's where things get inspiring. Instead of bowing to industry pressure or compromising his values, Vivek took charge of his life. In 2009, he decided to build economic independence by stepping into business. Cinema will always be my passion, he shared, but having a plan B gave me the freedom to stay true to myself. Why does Vivek call Bollywood an insecure place? It's not just about the competition, it's the constant stress and the politics of lobbies that, he says, can make or break careers. Reflecting on his roller coaster journey, Vivek admitted, I was stressed about so many things, and in the end, it was just not worth it. Now, with 3 exciting film projects, including the much-anticipated Masti 4, Vivek is focused on living life on his own terms. He believes success doesn't guarantee happiness and that staying grounded and making the right choices are what truly matter. So, what do you think? Is Bollywood really as tough as Vivek describes, or does the glitz outweigh the grind? Let us know in the comments. If you love juicy Bollywood insights, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.